Hey Franco's Electrical Services, this is MJ from PowerShot Leads. I just wanted to take a minute, and I know you guys are super busy, and so am I. So I'm just going to run you through your website real quick and show you some things that you guys can get better with over there. So the first thing I want to run with you is content. So Google looks at how much content you have on your site, and that's what you are found for, and that's how they push you up to the top of search results. So they like to see a minimum of 1500 words on the front page. Looks like you guys are running around 200 to 300 words. So not enough content for them to really find you relevant. So your competition, on the other hand, of course, when I went out and searched for Electrical Services California. Okay. So by the way, this is called the map pack right here at the top of course they are found at the top of the map pack. So the first thing went over is content, right? So you need to get that content up for 1500 words. It looks like your competition has around 200 to 300 words too. So we have some room for improvement. Well, we can definitely beat them. Of course, we can beat them out with content on the front page and also their back pages. So we need to add a bunch of pages for you and not just have the few pages that you have. So this is called the back pages here. They have a lot of back pages, but it's still beatable. You guys need to add more few pages here. Okay, so we need to definitely build this website up to have a lot of content coming through it. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is links. Okay, so content, links, and citations are what really matters with Google. So the next thing we're talking about is links, right? So you guys have around 42 links, backlinks, and one organic keyword when being searched on or searched for, and you guys have no traffic with your website right here. So that's pretty low. So this is called a trust store. So it says Google trusts you around 1.6 out of 100, then you guys only have a power of 8 out of 100. So your competition, on the other hand, has around 26 out of 100 trust store and 19 out of 100 power Google. So they have a lot of links, of backlinks 1.5k. They have a lot of keywords and being searched on and searched for 14.1k. And they have a traffic of 26.3k. Okay, so how they do this is, of course the web is made up of nothing but links, of course, pointing back and forth from each other with trying to tell Google like, hey, this is the best electrical services in California. So not all links are created equal, and it looks like your competition has some low level links here, but so do you. Okay, you have some pretty low level links here, so we can definitely get that up. And once we do, it will raise your trust and power up above theirs, and it will start pushing those keywords. So when looking at the keywords that people search for and this competitor of yours appear in the search results, right? When people search for light bulb installation, and of course we have a lot of keywords here that they appear at the top the search results. See, light switch doesn't always work. Light switch loose not working. When people search for this, they're at the top. They rank as the number one. So we have a lot of keywords here that we can consider putting at your website. Okay, but of course we got to get the content, and then we got to start pushing the links after we have the content done. Okay, so you guys are ranked around in the 70th million spot all over the world, with alongside the many businesses in Google. Okay, so while your competitor right here is ranked around 7 in the 7 million spot, so we got some catching up to do. But of course, it's definitely doable, I promise you. So when I went out and did some searches, like I said, I put in electrical services California. They were at the top spot right here, and they are also number one. I mean, number two in the map pack right here. Okay, so this next thing we're talking about is citation. So it has everything to do with this map pack right there, right here, and getting up there. To get up there, of course, it's about your name, address, and phone number being throughout the web on directories such as Yelp, CityStar, Yext, and all those different directories. So it has to be your exact name, exact business address, and of course, exact phone number as it appears on Google. It's got to be pushed throughout the web. Okay, so when I pulled the research here, and let me go back to return to the results. So I was in there looking at it. At of course, Franco's Electrical Services has around 11 citations, while your competition right here has two citations. But of course, seeing their ranking at the map pack, right, we need to get more citations above theirs to start beating them in the map pack. Okay, so you probably ask yourself how I do that. Well, I click in here, and I'm able to see every citations that you have, and even the citations that they have, and of course the opportunities, right? That citations has to offer that you might guys can consider, right? So we can go after um, some more citations, even if we can set up a meeting, and then let's show you some other competitors here as well that has a lot of citations, right? So that we can start beating all of your competitors on the map pack. So that goes also for the same with links, guys. Okay, with the backlinks. So back and forth. So for your information, backlinks are considered, of course, when on the website, when people click on a certain keyword, of course, in the content of a website, it actually directs you to a business, right? So for example, Express Electrical Services here that has around um, involvement with around 1.5k backlinks. So to find what backlinks they have, of course, and I can go after those or better ones, right? Better ones too, so that we can start beating them organically, right? So of course, that's a lot. Okay. So, anyways, I gave you the three things that I think that would tremendously help your site. First is links. Second is citations. And lastly is the 1500 words, of course, for the content, and of course getting a good content as well. So if we do those three things today, we can actually start beating your competition down the road. So if you guys need any help with your website, give me a call, or of course I will be providing my details via email or chat or wherever, okay, on whatever platforms that we can consider. So I know you guys are super busy, so I'm just going to let you go. So thank you and have a great day ahead.